So it's heating up here in Georgia. I just had the condenser replaced on my AC for the upper level. We're having some issues with cooling. While I was at it, I checked out the attic. That's where the blower and ductwork is located. I'm definitely going to need to blow in some more insulation up here. While I was looking around, I noticed that the condensate drain is not set up correctly. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace that while I'm up here before I blow in more insulation and do a couple other repairs so that I don't have to come back up here when everything is thick with insulation. So I'll kind of show you what the issue is with that PVC line. And you can see the AC condensate drain tube here is running down to here, and it dips down, and then it actually comes back up right here like a long 6-foot P-trap, and then back down here. You can see down on that end it dips way down again. So I'm going to go down there and show that a little closer as well. So as you can see where the drain enters the wall, there actually isn't a cutout here on this 2x4, so it actually, the angle comes this way, which forces this drain tube down, which is why it's causing it to dip here and then back up. As we saw down here, we got a dip and then it comes back up, and right here it dips way down again and then comes back up. So there's essentially like two 6-foot long P-traps in this line, which is causing some drainage issues and also some backup. So I'm just going to rerun this line. Okay, so I have completed the PVC exchange, and as you can see, I reran it. Actually installed a little clean out right here just in case there's ever any issues. Someone can use that as a clean out. This is gonna all be filled up to about 20 inches of insulation, so any kind of maintenance convenience will be much appreciated, whether it's by me or somebody coming along after. As you can see, we have a general slope all the way down until it meets outside of the house. And down on this end, actually had a couple different ideas, but ended up going with this here, just a 90 degree. I was going to do a couple 45s. The 90 worked out all right. If you can see there, also put some spray foam in there to seal up the gaps before I start insulating. So turned out pretty well.